Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Akusoli Insole review and we will find out that whether this is a scam or this is a legit product. So the first thing is that Insole are marketed as a solution to for foot pain, fatigue and various foot alignments including plantar facilities and neuropathy. They are designed to provide arch support, shock absorption and all this stuff, right? And this is pretty good. And let's talk about this feedback about this website. And here you can see that is this sole insole worth my money. You can just get it to know this. And of course, by the end of this article, you will find out this is not exactly 100% useful, right? As you can see here in the cons section, there's a limited availability in physical store, periodic replacement, and initial adjustment period, right? So it's a kind of a mixed review. Of course, most of the consumer find it very helpful and most of them don't. There could be some of the personal reasons, right? And here same thing, I found a different article which states the same thing and they are pretty good, well, right? And here the third thing is that Akusoli and same thing, what do you need to know about this? And this is a pretty positive article. So almost all the 3 or 4 articles which I shown you, and this is given by a pretty good uh, publisher and here and the website, and this is also a pretty good review. And as you can see here, this is a trust pilot and most of them are 5 stars. So let's get into the 5-star section here. Okay, so this is pretty good, nice. So in conclusion, I can only say this, that Insole appears to offer a promising solution for foot discomfort. Buyers should exercise, right? The product is generally legitimate, but it is crucial to purchase from this official site to ensure the authenticity. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.